Okay, we're going to be changing a headlight bulb and the indicator on a Toyota Auris Hybrid from 2014 onwards. So this is what you do. First of all, there's normally a clip here, but there is one. You have to take it off. What you do, you do that anti-clockwise. That pulls out. Put that there. Next thing, there is a cover here, which you just pull out for the headlight. And then inside here is the headlight bulb. So what you do, you put your hand in there and then twist it anti-clockwise and then pull the headlight bulb. You've got it here, and then all we do is there is a clip on the bottom of the bulb. Just press the clip and pull the light bulb out, and that comes out. And now I'm going to show you how to change the indicator bulb. The indicator bulb is here. All you do is do the same thing again, anti-clockwise. And pull it out. All you do when you want to change it, take this out, find the same bulb, put it back in, and then put that back in to position, and then twist it anti-clockwise. And same thing, put that back in, but make sure you do not touch the lens, otherwise you might get grease and damage the bulb. So you get a new bulb, just get it back to position to the connector, push the light bulb in, and then put it inside the hole. Then twist it clockwise. Done. Put this back on, and put this back on clockwise. Done.